Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own modern house. And not only will I show you the outside of the house, but later on I'll show you the inside the house. But that's later. Just before we start building everybody, here are all of the materials that we will need to make our house. Please do make sure that you have access to all those materials and enough of them as well. And now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. We want to begin by placing 5 grey concrete extending up from the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend right by 2. 1, 2. Extend all the way down to the ground. Take the grey concrete that hit the ground and extend it backwards. Place an oak plank to the right of it. And then extend up by 2. 1, 2. Go right by 3, 1, 2, 3, join down to the ground. Take the third block that you extended across and extend backwards by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, join down to the ground. I then want you to take this entire row of oak planks and extend it to the right by 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Place a row of grey concrete to the right. Extend the bottom grey concrete towards you. And then up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go right by 2. 1, 2. Join down to the ground. Take out your oak wood planks and place an oak wood plank going out and to the right from the grey concrete. Extend to the right by 1. Extend forwards. And then inwards to join the other grey concrete diagonally, like so. Place 3 more rows of oak planks, 1, 2, 3, on top of the layer of oak planks that you just placed. And they should just be 1 row shorter than the grey concrete that you have on the left of you, whereas the oak planks on the right side should be 2 rows shorter, so you have a little bit of a gradient there. When it comes to the left side here, I want you to grab your quartz slabs, and I want you to place quartz slabs around the top of the first row of oak planks coming down. So not this top row, but this first row down, I want you to place a row of quartz slabs going all the way around the outside of the oak planks. I then want you to place a row of quartz slabs all the way around the top of the oak planks as well, so we get a double row of quartz slabs. I also want you to do the same thing on the opposite side, so I want you to follow that quartz through onto the opposite side of the build. I realised that after you have placed the lower layer of quartz slabs, you don't really have anything to place the quartz slab layer onto for the upper layer, but once you have achieved the effect on the right side, I want you to place a blue stained glass block behind the quartz slabs like this, and then that will give you a really nice effect, and it's different from the opposite side, which is good. The front of the build has a window, so this 2x2 space on the front right side of the build can be filled in with blue stained glass pane. On the right side of the build, I want a similar window. It's the exact same, but to the back of the build. Simply place 2 rows of glass pane extending back from the back oak plank support, and then fill the remaining area of the wall in using oak planks. I'd also recommend filling in the windows underneath using oak planks, despite the fact that that is not what I'm going to be using for the floor. When it comes to the entrance area, which is here, the doorway is going to be right at the bottom. I'm going to use quartz for the floor of my house, so I'm just going to destroy that and place a door. Above the door, a grey concrete, and above the grey concrete, a glass. This is going to be similar on the back, except for one different detail. I'm going to destroy the bottom block and replace it with grey concrete, and then 2 glass on top, grey concrete, glass. So I'm exchanging the quartz for grey and also the door for 2 glass. When it comes to the upper part of the build, I'm simply going to join the grey concrete together, top to top, front to back. And you can choose to have glass in the top of your build if you like. I'd always recommend that, and then that way you've got so much natural light that during the day it doesn't matter if you have any other kind. You may also want to add glass to this portion as well, so you may just want to completely chuck glass into the top of your roof, and once you have done that, you have a really cool looking, tiny, modern house. All that's left is for me to decorate the inside. All that is left is for me to decorate the inside of the house for you, so you can get a better look at what sort of room you're dealing with, and perhaps you can even get a tad bit of inspiration. I'm going to decorate it, and then I'll be back. So this is what your house will look like once it has been 100% fully completed. The entire outside is done at this point, unless you want to add some flowers or perhaps some leaves. And when we come to the inside, you'll be able to see that I have decorated it in a survivally fashion. So we have a little bit of a brewing area, we have a bedroom, armor, ender chest, a little bit of decoration with the plants. We always need decoration, and a bit of an enchantment slash storage slash crafting area as well. It's a lot bigger than you might have expected. And that's it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, despite the fact that I struggled getting out of the door there. If you did, please do remember to hit that like button, as it helps me and the channel out very much. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing and clicking the little bell next to the subscription button. That'll ensure that you get all my videos sent directly to your sub box. And if you do want to make anything else by me, check out the card system description below in the top of the comment section for more. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.